Yeah, I'm looking forward to these right here. You know what this is? Right, this is the first time I grew these. You might think they're a pumpkin, but they're not. They're kabocha squash. Sunshine is the name of them. Look them up, see what they're good for. But this sunshine kabocha squash is really, really sweet. The thing about this variety of squash is that it can cross-pollinate with other squash. So that means that if I got some zucchini growing right here, if I got some acorn squash growing right here, I might be able to cross-pollinate with this squash and create a different type variety. But the thing is about squash plants that cross-pollinate, this squash will only cross-pollinate with squash that are of the same species. So there's different species of squash, like butternut squash, for instance. This squash would not be able to cross-pollinate with butternut squash. I'm going to show you guys how me and Cynthia chef these up in the kitchen, and y'all get to it. Stay rooted, keep growing.